Airplane has brand new paint, all new windows, new interior, new engine, new windshield, new prop, all new tires. You can see how nice these are. Has new brakes, new lights, new filter, spinner. It's really nice condition. The nicest 172 N model on the market. You can see the nice detail on the paint. It has a nose fairing which has been removed. You can put that back on. It has ADS-B compliance for 2020. And it's IFR, VORs, and ILS. Does not have an IFR GPS. That would be the next natural add-on. Very nice plane. Gonna go take it for a test flight.